what today is. I got the wrong spider. Ooh. Into a turn. Now, what am I doing? What am I doing? 21st. Sketchy, huh? That's some sketchy stuff I was just doing right there. Don't do it, what I do. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Got us a Impala SS, or maybe a clone of an Impala SS in front of us. Beautiful car. 94, 96 is when they made that thing. Had a version of an LT1, derated, of course. It was only like 260 horse. Instead of having aluminum heads, it had cast iron heads, so they didn't flow as well. Compression was probably lower. You know, just gearhead stuff. As we start this on the old Spider still. For some reason, the state of Ohio thought it was cool that they should throw salt down because we had a cold day. So the white Spider is still in slumber. I've replaced the battery in it, and I haven't taken it out for a ride since. I did, however, find out that the alignment is way off on that thing. It has towed out something crazy. So at 18,000 miles, it has destroyed the front tires. And the only reason I know that, because I was putting a battery in it. And I looked down and I said, oh crap, there's no tread on the inside of these tires. So 2 tires, alignment later, we'll see where we're at. The alignment I want to actually attempt to do myself, to be honest with you, because it's just tow. Tow is, you know, if you're looking at the front of the vehicle, are the tires turned in or turned out? Mine are turned out. That's why they're wearing on the insides. So I purchased a repair manual, and I hope it has some type of tow specs and where they want us to measure from, because that's all you need is a measurement bars forward. You know, how much do they want this thing towed out or towed in, whatever the spec is. So that's what we're going to do, and then I'm going to put some tires on it, and then I'll probably have to put some brakes on it again. I swear, I've never had a Spider at 20,000 miles. I've had to replace front tires, front brakes twice, rear brakes twice, a battery, and an alignment. Never, ever. In all of my many years, and you know, I can assume, you know, you talk to the shop and, oh no, we did, oh my goodness gracious, that sucked. You know, we did everything right. No, it's not us. But you know, this thing's never had an alignment. That bump was horrid. And some other things. Look at all the trees that are down. Hopefully they come through. Okay, I can't do this road. This road is not for me. When you hit a bump and it makes your right hip go no, and your back go no, it's only going to get worse. So I'm done. Done. We're done. Let's just turn this thing around. Missed that one, yay! It's really pretty down through here at Clear Creek. I wanted to go all the way through. It's been a minute since I've been down here. But man, look at all these trees. They're just everywhere. We've had some windstorms and some ice storms in the last couple years, and you know, these parks are just getting beat up. I mean, look at the devastation. Just everywhere. See if we can get through this. I'm glad I'm on this Spider and not the white Spider. Even though the white Spider would be a little softer. I tried. That's all you can do sometimes. So once I start with the alignment, I don't know if I'm actually going to do the alignment and or all of the alignment or some of the alignment. I just don't know if I can get down to adjust tow and not have issues the next day. let's go that way. So I've enlisted help from my buddies, and they will take care of me because they always take care of me. Because that's why we have buddies, right? Let's see what this looks like. Okay, I swear. Oh, it's just beating me up. This might not be any better. And there's Clear Creek. What a pretty creek. And then look, we got the road washing away. Look at that. You just slid. Bye-bye. Let's see what this side has to offer. I've been on this side once in the dual sport, but I don't even know if I had a camera. I didn't record a lot of those rides, to be honest with you. And I'm not quite sure where this empties out, but let's just take it and see where it goes. So like I was saying about the white spider, I'm not blaming anybody. I know things happen. I do. I've messed up many times. But when you get your spider and it's not put together right from when you pick it up, you question then when you start having issues that you've never ever had on any spider. I've never had a spider. I've had spiders go south. I've never had a battery in a year and a half go bad. I get it can be a one-off, but you know, with the amount of miles that's on that thing doesn't sit. So, you know, I purchased a battery, found a Yuasa. It was just over $100. Everybody else, even for a no-name battery, it's like 165 bucks. It's like, nope. I don't know what this is. Looks kind of cool. Oh, that sun. And then the brakes, you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna get something to put underneath that button so the button isn't energized when it's just me riding this spider. I would not recommend anybody doing that, because if you forget it and you're too up, that spider is not going to act how it should. But I'm going to try that because I don't have a problem putting brake pads on it, but eventually it's going to do major wear and tear on those rotors, and I don't want the added expenses, to be honest with you. So that's what we're going to do with that. We're going to throw some tires on it. I couldn't find the tires I put on this, so I went with a different set of tires. Of course, it's a Chinese manufacturer, but the tires this time around, did they just come out of the woods? Oh, there's a house up there. They're clearing debris. Oh, she slid down it. The tires are not made in China, they're made in Taiwan, so I think that's a plus. Maybe. So we will see how they work. You know, I'm the tire thing, that's disappointing. I called the shop and I was like, hey, listen, you know, I went through a set of tires already. The alignment's out, it's towed out quite a bit, and you know, what's happening here? And I was told that I got really good mileage out of my tire. So right then and there, you know that they don't know a Can-Am Spider, because 18,000 miles on the front tires is not good. I don't care what anybody says. I got 45,000 out of these and just changed them. I mean, they were getting thin, but they weren't even to replacing yet. They were just, you know, I felt better because I was putting a lot of miles on it to have newer tires on it. So I knew I wasn't going to get anywhere with that shop, and I even asked them, I'm like, listen, can you just discount the alignment somewhat? And I was told no. So we are going to go a different route. And if I can't do the alignment, that's fine. I don't care. I'm not, you know. I will take it to a shop and they can do whatever they need to do, and it will be all taken care of and ready to ride this spring. I am already looking forward to just hitting the road. I still have very limited vacation time. But yeah, I just want to go hop on the Spider and go. We got a stop sign. There it is. That's a stop sign. What road is this? This is a road. Ooh. Are you gonna let me go? Yeah, they were not gonna make that turn. Nice little back road. This road is tiny though. It is super tiny. I guess 2 cars could fit. Oof. So, hopefully... Oh, Big Cola Road. It's getting bad, people. It's getting bad. Oh, this is not for this road. But it's okay. I mean, look at it. Look at all the cabins up here. I'm super close to the house. 10-15 minutes. That's cute. Dig it. Well, 24-hour surveillance just caught me staring at it because I think it's gorgeous. Roads like this you have to worry about because there's never any traffic on them, and the people that live here, they will just pull off front of you because they're not used to looking. I've had that happen many times. You know, you're just cruising, and then boom, here comes a truck right in front of you, right out of the driveway. Okay, people, I think I'm just gonna let everybody go. I'm going to get my ride on. Oh, I know where we're at. It's 374. It's a racetrack right here. So if you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.